In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple one-page website using Google Sites. This guide is perfect if you're looking for a straightforward way to build a website without the need for any technical expertise. Whether you're setting up a personal page, a portfolio, or even a small business site, this tutorial will help you get started. To begin, let's head over to Google Sites. Open your browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the home page, click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid and is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, look for Sites and click on it. If you can't find it immediately, you may need to scroll down or search for it in the apps listed. Once you've clicked on Sites, you'll be directed to the Google Sites interface where you can create your new website. Now let's focus on creating a one-page website. This approach is particularly useful if your content is compact and you want everything to be easily accessible on a single page. Start by clicking on the blank template to open a new site. This will provide you with an empty canvas where you can start adding your content. Think about the structure you want for your page. Typically, you might want to include a header with your site's name, a main section for the core content, and perhaps a footer with additional information. Click on the page to insert different elements. You can add text boxes to incorporate text, like introductions or descriptions. To make your text stand out, utilize the formatting options available. For visual appeal, include images that are relevant to your content by clicking the Images button and uploading them directly from your computer or choosing from Google's integrated image search. Additionally, consider adding other elements like Google Maps or YouTube videos. These are easily accessible in the sidebar on the right side of your screen. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your page. This interactive content can engage your audience more effectively. Remember, the beauty of a one-page website lies in its simplicity and seamless navigation. To ensure a smooth user experience, keep your page organized and logically structured. Use sections to clearly define different areas of content, and consider the use of buttons or links at the top for quick navigation to the main sections further down the page. Once you're happy with the content and design of your one-page site, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to choose a web address for your site. Make sure it's unique, relevant to your content, and easy to remember. Before finalizing the publish, review your privacy settings to make sure your site is visible to everyone or restricted to certain viewers as per your preference. And that's it. Your one-page website is live and ready to be shared with the world. Revisit this guide anytime you want to update or enhance your site. Thank you for following along and have fun creating your Google site.